Hey everyone, AJ here from Whole Latte Love with a quick tip on how to get better steam performance on your Gaggia Classic Pro. The Classic Pro is widely regarded as the best value entry-level home espresso machine on the market, and for very good reason. Today, a trick I use to get better, longer-lasting steam power on the Classic Pro, giving you that perfect microfoam texture for pouring latte art. The standard procedure when ready to steam is to hit the steam switch, wait for the indicator light to turn on, then open the steam knob. For this trick, I'm going to start steaming 10 seconds before that light turns on. The reason for this? Once the light illuminates, the machine knows it's at steam temperature and turns off the heating element in the boiler. If you start steaming before this point, the heating element remains on throughout your steaming process and gives you more pressure and hotter steam for a longer period of time. I ran some tests to see the effectiveness of this. On my machine, the indicator light turns on 45 seconds from when I flip the switch, so I wanted to start steaming at 35 seconds after a quick purge of the wand. Using our standard method of heating 5 ounces of cold milk from fridge temperatures to 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, I did 5 takes of steaming the milk after the light came on and 5 takes 10 seconds before the light would have come on. Here are the results of those tests. If you take the average of each method, you can see that early steaming resulted in a 24% decrease in steaming time to hit the same temperature. There was a noticeable difference in steam power, especially in the second half of the process when good pressure is essential to mix in the air and create a uniform texture. The end result was a smooth, creamy appearance that made pouring latte art a breeze. As always, remember after you're done steaming to cool down and refill the boiler. To do this, turn off your steam switch, open the steam knob, and turn on the brew switch until you get a solid stream of water out of the wand. That's my quick tip to get better steam on your Gaggia Classic Pro. This machine is available now from Whole Latte Love in stainless steel or 5 different unique colors to fit your specific look. If you have any questions about the Classic Pro or milk steaming in general, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. For more espresso tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel and come back for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.